Hi everyone, and welcome back to our options channel. And today, to make a little pause, we'll talk about something extremely simple, which is options exercise and about different options types. If you think of options as an insurance, you should understand that you can always exercise your right to get paid according to the agreement. If your option is in the money, you can always come to the market maker and to take your money. And if you are short in the option, then be ready that it can be deep in the money and some random guy can come to you and ask for his money back. So this is a two-way street and you need to be really careful here. This is called an option exercise. The guy who bought an option or who longs the option, whatever, has a right, but he doesn't actually have to use it to get the protection when option is in the money. A dude with a short option who sold the insurance has to be ready that somebody will come to him and will ask for the money that he actually promised. The person on the long side of the trade has a right to exercise the option, and the person on the short side of the trade has an obligation to fulfill that wish. And all the options divide here into two groups: options with American exercise and options with European exercise. But you can relax here because you don't need to think about that much. Almost all the equity options are American type, so if you are going to trade Apple or Tesla shares, then you will work with American exercise system. So what is the difference? It is pretty simple. American options can be exercised at any time, whether it's before the expiration date or on the expiration date. And European options can be only exercised on the date of the actual expiration. And what can you do now with all of this knowledge? Well, first of all, since you will probably work mostly with American options, keep an eye on your options extrinsic or time value. The higher the time value, the more expensive the option. It means that exercising an option will be a stupid idea. When you exercise an option, you will be able to buy or sell the underlying at the strike price, and you will actually lose the time value of the option. So it is easier and it is more profitable for you to just sell an option in case it still has some extrinsic value. This way you will get both the intrinsic and extrinsic value of the option. If you are on the short side of the trade, you can be calm while your options have some time value left. But if there is none anymore, then you will need to decide whether you want to get out of the position, wait, or whether exercise is actually okay for you. Another difference here is that American options are more expensive. You need to pay a little bit more for the right to exercise whenever you want. On the other hand, socialists are probably sleeping better knowing that they will not wake up owing somebody a couple of thousand shares of Microsoft. Let me know if you have any questions on the options exercise and whether you got the difference between American and European options. If you still have some questions or if I forgot some interesting stuff, then please comment below. And now please smash that like button, ensure that you are subscribed, have your portion of vegetables, and see you soon in the next episode.